In this video, I really want your comments, be it good, be it bad, be it average, but please comment.
तरीका है भीख मांगने का।
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's start today's video. आज का दिन शुरू करते हैं। तो आज की वीडियो, today's video is going to be the most important topic of my channel because you guys have been asking me this question that why don't you make your videos in Hindi? You can see all these comments. Tuk 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 tuk. Why don't you make videos in Hindi? I want to see your video in Hindi, all that. So I have been receiving all these comments from the day I started posting my first video. And since there are multiple reasons for me to make videos in English, so I'm going to tell you all the reasons today, and this video is going to be very important for you if you want to come to Japan.
अच्छा।
And I am going to tell you why this video is going to be important for you. If you want to come to Japan, if you are learning Japanese, anything, this video is going to be important. That I'm going to tell after going to the riverside. It's been long, like many days I have not been to that riverside. So let's go and talk. Guys, see, the plane is going to go this way. Okay guys, so right now it's 6 o'clock, you can see, evening time, so it feels good to make video at this time also. Sometimes it's good to make this time. So if you go there and little bit right, so you will see the riverside. Oh my god! So guys, I'm thinking that I'm going to go there, sit there and make the video. Guys, very nice fragrance of greenery is there. You know, when it's all greenery around, so it feels very good, it smells very good. Now to go there, I think I will have to. So first let me show you the view all around and 360-degree view, and then I will start my topic. That is the train ki patri, railway track, and here you can see from there we came. And people are jogging, running. There is one more railway track there, and here is the river, and there you can see the plane, the helicopter and the moon. So guys, before I start this video, I'd like to tell you that this video is not just about why I make videos in English. If you watch the video till the end, you will get to know a lot of things and you will improve in your professional career as well, and maybe personal. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and at the end I would like to know your comments. So let me know your comments in the comment section, of course. Also, one good news is there that my Instagram page is up, so you can go to the description and my Instagram channel page and all the other pages, so you can go and follow me there as well. So guys, I know that you want to watch the content in Hindi if you are a Hindi speaking person. If you are an English speaking person, then you want to watch the content in English. We all want to watch the content in our mother tongue. That I accept that and I agree with that. I believe that this is high time that you should stop watching content in Hindi, especially if you are weak in English. Because if you are weak in English and you want to go somewhere and work somewhere, so would you be able to work in Hindi language? I don't think so. Anywhere you go in the world, I think English is something that you have to have. Be it in Japan. If you are coming to Japan and you want to work here, let's say you don't know Japanese at all, so you have to work in English. I agree that there are almost no jobs of English. I know Japanese is mandatory if you are coming to work in Japan, but along with Japanese, it is important to know English as well. And your value goes from here to here if you know English. Let's say there are two people, A and B. A knows English, B doesn't know English, and you are coming to work in Japan. So what do you think? To whom the company will hire? The company will hire A because A knows English and his salary will be more than B because he has an extra edge, and that extra edge is not small. It is very, very big. If you know English, if you are coming to Japan, it's a huge advantage to you. And if you say that I know English but I want to watch content in Hindi, it really doesn't make sense, because we have to make our mind accustomed or used to listen to English all the time. Let's say you're living in India and you don't want to come to Japan. You have no relation with Japanese and you don't want to come to Japan. But if you're working in India also, then also English is something that is very much required. So you have to become used to listen to English, write English, speak English. That will happen if your surrounding is all about English. I believe it is high time that we should consume the content in English only. And if you're a Japanese learner and you are coming to Japan and you want to come to Japan to work here, then you should consume content in English and Japanese. Simple. For vlogs and or any other content, I would say you better consume content in English. I'm assuming that you are a little bit convinced about me making videos in English. So now my next point is that I make videos in simple English. If you ever watch my content, I use very basic English words. I don't use very difficult words. I can use, but I don't use, because I know that people who are watching the content, they might not be very good in English. So I try not to use very difficult words. I remember I was making a video and I was showing something to you, like that water vapor thing, and I was saying that this light is enhancing the look of this machine or this water vapor machine. Considering that the people who are consuming my content are basic English language speakers, I could have said that this thing is accentuating the beauty of this machine, but I didn't use any difficult word. As long as I'm using simple English, so I think you can still enjoy my English content. Okay, reason number 3, that anybody can watch my content. I'm living in Japan and I live in a share house. In the share house, there are people who speak only English. There are people who are going to Japanese schools to learn Japanese language. So they can also watch my content anytime. I have not told anyone that I make content, but let's say in future if anybody explores, forget about share house, not only in Japan, across the world, anybody can watch my content, because English is a universal language. Anywhere you go in the world, if you know English, then you can somehow manage. So if I am giving some important information about Japan, so anybody in the world can consume that content and keep that thing in mind. Okay. Number 4, my love for South India. As you know that I worked in Gurgaon for some years, but that was the temporary work I was doing. My real career started from Chennai, South India. I was working in Fujitsu Chennai, and my real Japanese career and also some IT career started from Chennai. I have some close connection with Chennai and with the people of South India. So if I make content in English, people from South India, also my friends also, can consume the content. Though I haven't told them, anyone, that I make content, but if in future any day they ever get to see my video on YouTube, so at least they can watch. If I make in Hindi, so they can't watch. And the other day, one of my friends, one of my colleagues, he contacted me also that, Nitin, I saw your video, and he was from Chennai. So he was able to watch the video because the content was in English. So the soft corner in my heart for South India, especially Chennai, that makes me make videos in English. Sorry, that's a personal reason. So guys, it's becoming dark. So yeah, let me quickly tell you the next reason. So as you know that I make videos with Ku, Momoko, and Shu and Yoko-san. There are other people also, not people. There are other people also with whom I make content. They don't know Hindi language. They don't know English also. But yeah, to some extent, they know English. And they are able to watch my video. They somehow manage with English. If I speak in Hindi, if I make videos with them, they won't be able to understand anything. That is what I don't want, that people who are making videos with me, who are appearing in the videos, and they are not able to watch. That's a small reason, but it's a reason. Well, these were the few reasons because of which I make videos in English. There are 1 or 2 other reasons as well, which I will discuss in some other video. But I hope you understood that why I make videos in English. And at last, I would like to tell you again that it is very important for you to consume content in English. Not only my content, but other content also. If you try to consume in English, whether you are weak in English or whether you are strong in English, it is going to help you only. Because if I tell you one incident, that a lot of my friends tell me that your English is good. But then I ask myself, what have I done that my English is good? Then I realized that I used to consume the content like Coffee with Karan. I used to watch all the episodes of Coffee with Karan. I watched one episode of Coffee with Karan in which Shah Rukh Khan was appearing, and as you know that Shah Rukh Khan is a good English speaker. So that episode I watched for around 15 to 20 times. Not because of English, but I used to like watching Coffee with Karan. And I think that's the reason that my English became a little good as per my friends. And hence they praise me that your English is good. So if you also continue to do this from today onwards, and let's assume that your English is weak, so maybe after 1 or 2 years, people will tell you also that your English is so good. So guys, we should consume what is benefiting us, what is helping us, what is entertaining us, and if all these things come together, then there is nothing like that. So at last, I would like to tell you that for now, I am not considering making videos in Hindi, but maybe in future. And I'm really sorry that if you're not fond of watching content in English, but I would request you to do that. Not because I am making videos in English, but generally also for your benefit. Now it is becoming dark, so I hope you liked today's video. If you liked, then please hit the like button, subscribe button, and share it with others here. And at last, I'd like to tell you what Sanjay Dutt tells you. Bye bye, take care and have fun. And yes, in this video, I really want your comments, be it good, be it bad, be it average, but please comment.